Whoa! 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 So, can anybody help me out? Nick? Jesus Christ. I was slipping, people.
It's a lot harder because you don't know where they're at. And
It's true.
Like you can walk through the woods and you'll get ambushed.
That is true. We got this kid. We got that kid. We're trying to find a spot.
Of course that's the mine gun that don't work.
Whoa! It's always going to be your gun, Nick. They're running now. They're saying, let's go, ready. And we're just, they're not ready. We gotta run. He said something, shitheads. This is a good little spot. This kid fell. I kind of slipped with it. Their team is up there. They're there.
Hey boys!
Get out of the way. They're trying to make it up there. Filmer! Nick, get the hell away from me. Well, that's one! Let's go down! Dan, drop the shield.